You don't need coding, design, or editing skills to make money online. In today's video, I'll show you 5 real ways to earn money online, even if you have zero experience. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a bit of consistency. Let's dive straight in. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually get paid just for watching videos. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and YCents pay users to watch ads, movie trailers, and short clips. Each task pays a few cents to a few dollars, and if you spend a few hours daily, you can earn $50, $100 a month easily. It's not full-time income, but it's a great start. If you have a phone camera, you already have an asset. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels let you upload your photos or short clips. Whenever someone downloads your image, you earn money. You don't have to be a pro photographer. Natural lifestyle shots sell best. One viral image can make you passive income for years. No skills? No problem. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and look for tasks like data entry, typing, or converting files. These are simple copy-paste jobs that anyone can do. You can even use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Sheets to work faster and make more money per hour. This one's exploding right now. You can repost viral videos from platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, but with permission, or using copyright-free content. Use channels like Pexels Videos or Pixabay, edit them with free AI tools like CapCut, add your voiceover, and upload to YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels. Ad revenue and bonuses can bring in hundreds per month once you're consistent. AI tools can make you money while you sleep. For example, use ChatGPT to write articles, then post them on Medium.com and earn from views. Or use Canva plus Etsy to sell digital products like planners or templates. These methods require no experience, just creativity and consistency. So there you have it, 5 legit ways to make money online without any skills. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to start." See you in the next one.